Yolanda was one of the most powerful storm ever to visit the Philippines or even the world, and obviously so much destruction. And then I asked them, what else did Yolanda was not able to destroy? And then the responses came, and it was very stunning for me. The responses was, Yolanda destroyed our homes, shelters, the school, our water system, any other infrastructure you see, all are destroyed. But Yolanda was not able to destroy our will to survive. Yolanda did not destroy our hopes. Yolanda was not able to destroy our determination to rise again. And above all, Yolanda was not able to destroy our faith in God and faith in each other.
Naburot now will continue to be a school for learning about how it is to love, to keep our faith in God, and how to hope.